Hello everyone, I'm Namilasan. Today I'm sharing my feedback about the internship experience at inSAKE Solutions. An internship at inSAKE Solutions offers a comprehensive and immersive experience in the field of data science. The internship is designed to provide practical real-world exposure to data science projects, applying the theoretical knowledge gained from training. Seasoned data scientists and industry experts like Sai Shetty and Karthik Mehta serve as mentors, providing personalized guidance, feedback, and support throughout in the internship. I have the opportunity to work on projects spanning various industries, gaining valuable insights into industry-specific challenges and solutions. This program integrates the latest tools and platforms used in the data science field, ensuring I equipped with up-to-date skills and knowledge. I work in a collaborative and dynamic team with knowledge sharing and skill development. The internship emphasizes problem-solving abilities, critical thinking, and a data-driven approach to address complex challenges in real-world projects. Beyond technical skills, the internship provides opportunities for networking, workshops, and events to enhance your professional growth. This program places importance on transparent processes and detailed documentation, ensuring clarity and reproducibility in all projects. The skills and experiences gained during the internship position for success in the competitive field of data science, whether pursuing further studies or entering the job market. I have the opportunities to engage with the broader data science community, attending meetups, and expanding my network and knowledge. Overall, the data science internship at inSAKE Solutions offers a holistic and enriching experience, providing a strong platform for building a successful career in the dynamic field of data science. Thank you.